Ready to come round the wicket to the left-handed Gopal Chopra. Reverse want to play the reverse shot, played it well. That's a dot ball. 5 runs on the board. First over is underway. Down the leg side, wide ball. Extra run to the total. Well played too. There is a man in the deep and the ball will win the race, I think. Yes, that's a boundary. First boundary for Gopal Chopra. Gopal Chopra off the mark with the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Last two. Number 1. 10 without any loss already. Couple of boundaries in this over. Again he goes, has he got the distance? There is a man in the deep. That's another boundary, back-to-back boundaries, consecutive boundaries. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. Loose ball, low full toss, 1 bounce into the fence, consecutive boundaries, 3 boundaries in a row. That ends the over up to 1 over 18 without any loss. Expensive over comes to an end from Rajesh. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited boundary. Second over to go after 1 over 18 without any loss. Roll looking start for Black Caps. 4 boundaries on the 2 over. Full toss. Over the fielder side. Ball running over to the boundary. Another boundary. Again he goes. Another boundary. Black Caps, both openers dealing in boundaries at the moment. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private. Oh, well bowled on the time. Slightly over pitched. Dot ball. Play it on the onside. One run taken. Can they back for the second? No, they don't. They are quite happy with only a single. Last two balls remaining with 27 without any loss. So this is a very good partnership in between Pradeep Paddy and Gopal Chopra, left and right hand combination. This time to the onside again. And he will get a magnificent result. That's 6. Sailed into the crowd. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Ball to go. 33 without any loss. Already 15 runs. Last ball remaining. Played it this time down the ground. There is a man in the deep. Dinesh Bafna is the fielder. Single to finish the over. After 2 overs, 34 without any loss. Last over to go in the mandatory batting power play. Both these two batsmen batting brilliantly in the center. Third over to go, last over in the mandatory batting power play. After 2 overs, 34 without any loss. Both batsmen have got a destructive start. This time in the air and just over the fielder's head. You need to retake those catches at this level. Kailash, it looks like the fielder had made off. 1 run to the total. Third over is underway. 2.1 over, 35 without any loss. Pradeep Paddy is on 14 from 6 balls. He is on strike at the moment. Good shot down the ground. Misfield and into the boundary. This is adding a salt to the wound. Field, boy, the boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Played it on the onside. 1 run taken and they easily back for the second. Couple of runs to the total. Can they go back for third run? This is lazy fielding, poor fielding, I have to say. 3 runs added to the total. 42 without any loss. What a start, dream start. sparkling start, roll looking start. Whatever maybe you say, but this is a spontaneous start. Played it down the round. This time I think they will get only a single. 43 without any loss. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 3. Another 2 balls to go. Looks like this could be the fastest score scored in the mandatory batting power play. Good ball, red dot ball. Last ball remaining, 43 on the board. So far this is the highest score scored in the mandatory batting power play. Last ball remaining, Pradeep Paddy is on strike. Down the leg side, white ball, by, in fact, 2 runs to the total. Last ball to go, 45 runs on the board. Last ball in the batting power play. Gopal Chopra is on strike. He goes biggie. That's his favorite area, but didn't time it well, even though he will get the single. After mandatory power play of 3 overs, the total score which moves on to 46. 12 of it still. 18 in the first over, 15 in the second over, 12 runs in the third over. After 3 overs of batting power play, the total score which moves on to 46 without any loss. Your name? Prasanna. Fourth over to go after 3 overs, 46 without any loss. Prasanna into the attack from the grand stage end. Didn't time it well, even though go through for the run, gets it comfortably. 1 run to the total. .47 without any loss. This is a very good partnership for the first wicket. Highest partnership in my concern for the first wicket. Might be a second highest. Pradeep Paddy, low full toss, want to play that one to the onside premeditatedly. No connection with the ball, dot delivery. Sure. Result is the same, another plain miss, another dot ball. This is resulting to be a pretty good over for the bowling team. This time connected it well. The ball running away to the boundary. Won't go all the way. Just only a single. नहीं देखो सिंगल नहीं डॉट good shot down the ground. This time they will get a single. Fourth over in progress. 48 is the score without any wicket. Oh, down the track he comes, missed it altogether. Gopal Chopra nowhere near the ball. .48 without any loss. Last ball. Over completed after 4 overs, 48 without any loss. Economical over from Prasanna comes to an end. Fifth over to go. Who is going to be bowled? The over number 5. Naman Chajad will bowl the over number 5. Two friends playing each other in the opposite team. Chiku Bhavesh, Naman Chajad. They are very good friends. Played it well. Down the ground, there is a man in the deep. 1 run taken. They back for the second. A couple of runs to the total. That brings 50 runs on the board for the Black Caps. 50 comes up in the 5th over. Oh, big swing of the bat to white ball. Just outside the guideline. One is the call. I think they will get it comfortably. Yes, they do. Naman Chajat bowling well at the moment, not giving any free runs, any free deliveries. Down the leg side slightly, even though they will go through for the run. Want to back for the second. Oh boy, very terrible. 53 without any loss. No ball, pitching outside the leg, pitching outside the pitch in my concern. As Freak. Played it down along to the offside. There is a man in the deep cover. Back for the second. Another couple of runs. Very good running this time. 2 runs added to the total. With those couple, the total score moves up to 56. Magic Ball, the sponsor of that Magic Ball, Cherry Blossom. Good shot, straight down the ground. Has that gone the distance? That gone all the way for 6. That's a very good shot. will bowl over number 2 of his spell. Sixth over. He bowled 1 over, considered 16 runs, 15 runs in fact. Shailesh Shah. 16, yes.
Bowling. Yo.
No run. Oh, my bonnet and gone. Promoted in the order, but unable to give good contribution. Got out early. 68 for 2.
68 देख रहे हैं उधर 71 पर 9 है. My God.
Good shot down the track comes Hiru Jain. Played it down the ground. And that's a boundary. Hiru Jain opens his account with the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Misfields always gives you runs. Good shot. He's totally in control on the time. Looks like only a single. 73 for 2. Sixth over in progress.
बीजेसी लगाओ इस मैच देखने. बीजेसी 2026 सीजन 6 यूट्यूब में स्कोर इधर इस बॉलिंग गेम. सीजन 6 में राइट सीजन 6 में चलता है.
Down the leg side.
एक बार मैं बोल तो लो.
नहीं मेरा ये आई मीन कीपैड खराब है.
BJC 2026 सीजन 6 लाइव मैच. BJC 2026 सीजन 6 लाइव मैच.
1 run taken. Can they turn back for the second? No, they don't.
टाइप करो नहीं तो BJC.
So 6 overs gone.
स्कोर बोलो शेख भाई. सिंगल.
6 overs completed is 74 for 2.
BJC
After 6 overs is 74 for the loss of 2 wickets.
बॉलर देखो शेख भाई.
अंकुश
Ankush Jain into the attack. He's way outside the off stump. One run to the total.
एक सेकंड उधर ना
Good shot. That goes the distance. That's a massive blow. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Very good shot. 81 for 2, 7th over in progress. Pulls that one to the onside. There is a man at deep square leg. He will cut it off. 1 run to Hero Jain, 1 run to Black Caps. Hero Jain hits his first 6.
लाइन निकल खाली स्कोर आंदे लाइन निकल रंदे रंदे इधर इसमें आता स्कोर डालो स्कोर आने कर म्यूट करो नहीं
कर दिया
Good shot.
नहीं स्टॉप
Good stop in the deep.
नहीं 4 है
नहीं दिखा एम्पायर
Good shot again.
Shoot, 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 shoot.
2 is the call and the back for the second. I think they will get it easily. Slight overthrow. They are going for the 3rd run. 3 runs added to the total. 7 overs gone. 89 for the loss of 2 wickets.
81, 89.
48
Pradeep Paddy is on 48.
तीन ओवर आएगा
और 89
87
7 overs completed. 89 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. 18 runs conceded by Ankush. 15 in fact.
स्कोर कार्ड देयर इज नो
89
ಎಷ್ಟು ಓವರ್ 7 ಓವರ್ ಆಗ
बीजेस
ಇನ್ನು 3 ಓವರ್ ಅದಾವ
क्रिकेट 2026 मैच इन बल्लारी
7 overs gone. 89 for 2. Last 3 overs remaining. Another 18 balls to go. Legal, legitimate 18 balls.
बॉलर नेम
Shailesh Shah will bowl the 3rd over of a spell. Play it on the onside. There is a man in the deep. The score moves into the 90s. 90 for 2.
Right, Aisarako, very good.
Right, Peter, kati daru baru kya to?
Got shot by Hirojain. Takes the aerial route. Deposited that one way back into the crowd. That's a magnificent strike. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Space Private Limited. That's a clean blow, as clean as a whistle. 96 for 2.
7.2. 28 for 12 months partnership. Partnership. 28 for 12 months.
Dot ball.
Okay. For one.
Last 3 balls remaining to complete over number 8. 96 for 2. Put it on the onside. Man in the deep. Deep square leg. 1 run to the total. The score moves up to 97 with that single. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 8. Over with a shot, very well played, good connection. There is a man in the deep and take and put down. Would you believe it? Who is the fielder? Look like Deep. Dinesh Bhavna. 50 comes up for Deep Pradeep Paddy with that couple.
27 balls, 50 runs. 27 balls, 50 runs.
Pradeep Paddy, 27 ball, 50 runs, 7 boundaries, 2 sixes. Good batting. This time in the air and put down again. Second time the catch went down. Eight overs completed, 99 for the loss of 2 wickets. Last 2 overs remaining. 8 overs completed in 99 for 2. Last 2 overs to go.
Bowler.
Prasanna back into the attack. Starts off with a white ball. 100 run comes up for the Black Caps. After 8 overs, 100 runs exactly for the loss of 2 wickets. Still 12 balls to go. Down the track he comes. That will go all the way. That's 6. Over the fielder's head. That's a clean blow. The 6 run sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Good use of his feet down the track and put that one over the long off fielder side. White ball. He saw the batsman using his feet, just changed his line, balled away from the well outside the stump. It's a wide ball, extra run, 107 for 2, 107 for 2. Goes again. Didn't get the elevation right, only managed to get the single. Hero Jain is on 26, 9 ball, 1 boundary, 3 sixes. This time Pradeep Paddy goes big, goes handsome, man 6. The 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. That's a lovely to watch. Both brothers in action. Both are hitting the ball hardly.
One not 14 for 2.
114 for 2. Good ball. White ball, in fact. Umpire has taken a fraction of seconds to make a decision. The decision reviewed for the white ball. It referred to the third umpire for the review of the wide.
देखो नहीं हो रहा
Net चला रहता है. Wait, I'll see one second.
प्रदीप प्रदीप
Crick Heroes.
It's a good ball, no wide.
Crick Heroes.
Oh, very good shot. That's another 6. It's a flurry of sixes from the blade of Black Caps batsman. Another Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited 6.
हो गया
नहीं नहीं और डालना उधर स्कोर.
Played it on the onside. Good placement. They turn back for the second. And they gets it easily. One. Last over. Hero Jain goes on, and that's another six. Another six from the blade of Hero Jain. That's a Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited six. Good shot down the ground, long on, and that's another boundary. Back-to-back boundaries, consecutive boundaries. Hero Jain moves on to 41. For two. Good shot down the ground. The back for the second. This could be suicidal. Yes, it is. There is no second run. Hero Jain ran. In fact, Pradeep Pandey, it looks like to me, but he has done his job. He scored 64 in 31 balls, 5 boundaries, 4 sixes. Wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. New batsman.
New batsman name?
Batsman name.
Chico Bhavesh.
Chiku Bhavesh.
ಏನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿರಾಟ್ ಕೊಹ್ಲಿ.
Last 2 more balls to go. 139 for 3. Hero Jain is on strike. Can he score half century?
2 balls.
2 balls to go. Didn't time it well. And the ball will race away to the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat. is the match number 3 is underway. Target is 145 in the stipulated 10 overs. Highest score made by the team which batted first. Plain miss, well bowled Gopal Chopra, dot delivery. Required run rate right from the word go, 14.90. Full toss, played that one down the ground to the onside. There is a fielder. Another single. So both openers, Kailash and Shanky, opens their account with a single each. Two runs on the board without any wicket. First over is in progress. Good shot, straight to the fielder. Another quick single. Three run without any loss. White ball, extra run to the total. Last 2 balls remaining, 4 runs on the board already. 145, mountain to climb. Massive runs on the board. Want to field the ball on his follow through. 1 run to the total. Last ball to go, 5 without any loss. Last ball to go to complete row number 1. Again another single. After 1 over, 6 run without any loss. So Romil Jain into the attack. Well played, good shot. 1 run to the total. Romil Jain, early call today. Catch up in the air, this should be taken. Put down. Who is the fielder? Sanchit looks like the fielder. Easy catch, you can't get easier than that at this level. 1 run to the total. Almost wicket for Romil. Attempting for the reverse shot, connected it well, he will get the boundary, very good shot, good connection. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited, very good shot. Good anticipation. Put bat above all and into the boundary. 12 without any loss. Second over in progress. Again connected sweetly. 6 runs all the way. This is even better than the first one. First 6 and a welcome 6 for the Team United. 6 runs sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Last 2 balls remaining. 18 runs on the board. 18 without any loss. Last 2 balls to go to complete over number 2. They will go through for the run, wait for the umpire signal, but takes a single, white ball. White +1, 2 runs added to the total. Without any loss. Good start by Team United, chasing a target of 145, 20 without any loss. This time it's a dot ball. Last ball remaining in this over number 2. Plain miss. Another dot ball to finish the over. After 2 over, 20 without any loss. 2 overs completed, 20 run without any loss. Last over to go in the mandatory batting power play. Who will bowl the over number 3? Hero Jain is the bowler. Hero Jain comes to bowl. Oh, good shot. That's a lovely shot. That went to the boundary. The boundary sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Hero Jain welcomed with the boundary. Loose ball down the leg side. The batsman helped the ball on its way. Oh, good shot, good shot. Man at mid-wicket in place, 1 run taken. Just a single. Hero Jain is a kind of a bowler who can bowl, who can finish his over so quickly. Premeditatedly played that one to the onside. That's another boundary. Another Bharat Auto Finance Private Limited boundary. 9 runs in the first 3 balls, 29 without any loss. Last 2 balls remaining. Good shot. Man at long on. 1 run to the total. Score moves up to 30. 30 without any loss. Good single, very good running, nice running in between the wicket. After 3 overs of batting power play, the score moves up to 31 without any loss. Good going for the Team United. 3 overs completed, 31 without any loss.
बस आ जाए भाई ना कर होना नहीं है नहीं गाँव में नहीं रहे यहाँ नहीं है आउट ऑफ अहमदाबाद में अहमदाबाद क्या नहीं बिजनेस का रिलेटेड रहता है क्या नूर भाई कैसे है ना चिंतामणि का है ना ये साल नहीं है
So looks like Tanmay will bowl the over number 4. Tanmay Mehta into the attack to bowl the over number 4.
वही पाँव डैमेज है भैया कोल बाजार से ले लेगा है डैमेज है
Left arm medium fast bowler Tanmay. Good start to the over by Tanmay. So decision reviewed for the white ball.
जाओ शेख भाई
Decision reviewed for the white ball.
जाओ जाओ
It referred to the third umpire.
जाओ जाओ शेख भाई शेख भाई शेख भाई शेख भाई जाओ शेख भाई ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ ಇದು ವೈಡ್
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅದ
एडिट कर सकते क्या फिर
So decision reviewed for the white ball. Good ball. No wide. Good ball by Tanmay. Starts off with a dot ball. Tanmay.
कैसा भाई आराम क्या भाई कब जीत डाले ना भाई
3.1 over, 31 without any loss. Fourth over is underway. This time it's a white ball. Extra run to the total. .32 without any loss. Another extra, another white ball, back to back extras. Engai Tanmay, left arm medium fast bowler. Very good action, he maintains. Good run up, solid run up, good action, nice release. Oh, plain miss, well bowled, good comeback by Tanmay. After conceding 2 extras, he bowled a dot ball. Fourth over, this is slight strain in the around the midland leg. One run added to the total. No dot ball, it's no run. 3.3 overs, 33 without any loss.
ಸರಿ ಮಳೆ ಬಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ನಿಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಓವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚು. 5 ಓವರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚು.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಪಾಯಿಂಟಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Good shot down the ground. There is a man at long off. Amit Bafna is the fielder. Good fielding.
ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್.
Amit Bafna, very good player for Black Caps. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 4.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್.
Down the leg side. Another dot ball. Last ball remaining to complete over number 5. In fact 4. 34 without any loss. White ball, extra run. 3.5 overs, 35 without any loss. Last ball remaining to complete over number 4. Down the leg side, very good shot, good placement. And well fielded in the deep. Single to finish the over number 4 after 4 overs. 36 without any loss.
बारिश आटे पड़ रहे. आया था 4 बॉल का.
So Peter Shanky retired out.
ಐವತ್ತು ರನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಗೆ.
So the new batsman, Dinesh Bafna, who comes up to the middle. Akshay Bafna into the attack. 4 overs completed, 36 without any loss. Oh, good start by Akshay Bafna. Starts off with the dot ball. He's in very good form with the ball. Akshay Bafna struggling to bat. Magic ball. The sponsor of that magic ball, Cherry Blossom. Playing miss again, another dot. Very good bowling from Akshay Bafna. He releases very quickly, short run up, balls quickly. Played it easily on the onside. Dinesh Bafna of the mark in the bowling of Akshay Bafna.
भैया नया था भैया बल्लारी में. भैया बल्लारी में नया था लोग. खाली हवा. नहीं लोग खाली हवा आता देख लियो तुम.
Plain miss, want to play the reverse shot. Another dead ball. Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 5. Another dot ball. Would you believe it? This is very good stuff. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಕ್ ಲೈಟ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
अतुल शाह. जिनेंद्र शाह.
Played it on the inside, long on in place. Only 1 run. 5 overs completed, just 2 runs of it after 5 overs. 38 without any loss. In fact, for the loss of 1 wicket.
ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಕೆಟ್.
Another 5 overs to go.
एक भाई को भी लेके जाओ.
5 overs gone, 38 for the loss of 1 wicket. 6th over to go.
गोपाल चोपड़ा
30 balls, 107 runs. Looks like Gopal Chopra back into the attack.
देख जाओ लो भाई उनको क्या जरूरत नहीं वैसे.
करंट जे किलोमीटर आने से कहते हो जाता था अभी भी मैं वाला थी अभी भी मैं वो
हमारे घर में सो जाएंगे. हाँ कूलर चालू नको हमें घर में जाकर अच्छे से सोएंगे. ये सीम सोएंगे लो जी. फ्री हो गया ना.
Oh, good start to the over by Gopal Chopra. Starts off with a dot ball. 29 ball, 107 runs. Mountain to climb. Not only a mountain, it's a Himalaya mountain. Outside the off stump, white ball, extra run. 29 ball, 106 runs. Black Caps, they are looking comfortable in the match. Still Dinesh Bhofna in the center, he can hit some lusty blows. In the air was the fielder's head, won't go all the way, but back for the couple.
ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್.
Only 1 run, no 2. Poor running. 40 without any loss.
दबाक मारे बॉलर कौन मिला बॉलर कौन मिला
कर गोपी
Well bowled. Has he got it? Yes, he has.
ಕ್ಯಾಚ್.
कैच पैडी प्रदीप जैन.
Catch of the match. Sponsored by Team Sport and Wicket, sponsored by PM Distributor. Pradeep Paddy takes the catch. Dinesh Bhofna has to depart.
ದಿನೇಶ್ ಬಾಫ್ನ
मैं खा लेगा
Dot ball.
कहाँ जाऊँ यहाँ वहाँ
Last 2 balls remaining to complete over number 6, 40 for 1, 40 for 2.
देख भाई क्या तो मंगाना चाय पानी जूस चाय मंगाना आता ठहरा हमारे कौनटा उसके कहना मंगा दे बे हमें मंजुनाथ कली भाई
Oh, lovely shot down the ground. Good timing. The back for the couple is good to be close. Third umpire has been called for the run out. Third umpire decision pending for the run out. Where the bowler feeling is pretty confident.
हाँ ग्लास लेना जाएगा पीवन ग्लास नहीं लारे हैं नहीं रे देखे एक ये तो एक स्क्रीन पे लारे भाई ने नेक्स्ट टीम चिंतामणि एंड Trimax Challenger.
After this match, last match on this day 5 is going to be playing between the Trimax Challengers versus Chintamani 11. Please be ready. Right after the completion of this match, the toss is going to be happen. Toss Kabal started with sponsor Kishore Babu Bhai in action. Not out.
One run daughter.
Five balls. Dot ball to finish the over after 6 overs. 42 for 1. 24 ball, 103 runs required. Four ball, 103 runs. Akshay Bafna will bowl the second over of his spell. So far, 1 over, just 2 runs. The man in very good form with the ball, Akshay Bafna.
यश पे इधर आओ
24 ball, 103 runs. Akshay Bafna, he's on his way. He's on to second over. So far, 1 over, 2 run. Maizi's bowling. Played it nicely. No run. Another dot ball.
खाली हवा आता बारिश के लिए आरसीबी का मैच ऐसा
सागरा खोले ओ बस बस लास्ट ओवर
19 साल से हम लोग एक टीम में खबर करके नहीं क्या
हमारे एक कप के लिए 11 जन को मार डालते कह रहे थे
Another dot ball. This is good bowling from Akshay Bafna. He is bowling wicket to wicket, good line, good length,
का बलिदान कर डाले
not giving any room for the batsman to score.
ग्राउंड में चेहरा भी डाल डाले उनके नाम का मतलब तुम्हारा
Finally, bat and ball.
नहीं उसको क्या नहीं था पूरा
कौन
तुम्हारे कैप्टन
मैंने
1 run to the total.
मेरे सामने बोलता नहीं आज
हमने नंबर
या जिमी का आज ओपनिंग आउट हवा वन साइड है
सर सिंगल डाले
डाले सर
Good shot. And taken in the deep.
कौन है कैच
Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sport and wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Another wicket goes down.
ಸಲ್ಲು ವರ್ಗ 70 ಇರುವ ಹತ್ರ 70 ಕ್ಯಾ ಬಿನ ಲೋಡೆ
That's up in the air. This should be taken, I think, and put down by the fielder. In fact, Hero, normally very good fielder, totally on the time, totally misjudged it. 15 ball, 98 runs.
फर्स्ट टाइम सेमीफाइनल एंट्री आ गया सल्लू शैलेश
हां कपल डाल रे
जेजेसी में
सीधो बैट्समैन फोकस
बॉलिंग कर में लवली बॉल कर में
जेजेसी ने लिए BJCನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಟೈಮ್ ಸೆಮಿಫೈನಲ್ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ
ಶೈಲೇಶ್ ಸರ್ಲು हो गया कंफर्म
5 10 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್
Good shot.
आराम से रविल भाई
One more noticeable point that first time in the history of BJC, Shailesh Sallu playing into the semis.
राइट
13 ball, 96 run. Last ball. Good shot. Finds the gap. No, it doesn't. There is a man in the deep. Back for the couple. Chiku Bhavesh is the fielder.
2 runs
2 runs to the total. 12 ball, 94 runs needed. Yes, 12 ball, 94 runs. Romelu back into the attack.
ಬಟ್ಟಿ
Gone, looks like. Yes, it is.
ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
Catch of the match is sponsored by Team Sportan, wicket sponsored by PM Distributor. Next batsman, Virat Jain.
आजा जज पे बाहर जाओ आज एक पे दे
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ
In the history of BJC, Shailesh Sallu, first time in the history of BJC, he is playing in the semi-final match.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಟು
Entered into the semi-final match. That means entered means he is playing in the semi-final match.
बॉलिंग रविल भाई
Third ball,
जिम्मी
10 ball, 94 runs.
ये जिम्मी बॉलिंग रविल लवली बॉलिंग है
ಅದೇ 1/2
बॉडी दे बॉडी सिंगल रबा
सिंगल 4
गल गल हां फोर ले
That's a boundary, something to cheer about. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Auto Spares Private Limited. Boundary after a long time. 9 ball, 90 runs. Make it 8. 8 ball, 90 runs. In the air, one run. 7 ball, 89 runs. Good shot.
मैं पकड़े तो आप भी पकड़ो
Just only a single. Last over to go. 6 ball, 88 runs needed.
कैच आउट
In fact, holds down at extra cover in the hands of Akshay Bafna.
फील्डर अक्षय
Catch of the match sponsored by Team Sportan, wicket sponsored by PM Distributor.
न्यू बैटर
New batsman Ankush comes up to the middle.
लास्ट टाइम आप जीत दिया था अभी जीत दिया ना
बॉलर
तो भी जीत लास्ट टाइम जीता
बिट्टू वो
मंदी पहला चिंता मत
अक्षय
Akshay Bafna will bowl the last over of his spell. Another dead ball. 5 ball, 89 runs.
आउटसाइड आउटसाइड बॉलिंग अच्छे कमान एक विकेट कमान
No play two, just only a single. 4 ball, 88 runs.
Come on, Ankush bhai. Come on, come on. अच्छा वाला, एक विकेट, come on.
Just over the bowler side, there is a man at long off. Sanchit, left hand throw. Three ball, 87 run. Two ball remaining, 87 runs needed. It has been outstanding performance by the Black Caps. First batting, now with the bowling.
अभी 2 बॉल है सर.
2 ball, 87 runs. Looks like retired out. Shailesh Shah, the new batsman. In fact, it cleans up, looks like.
ये क्या हुआ?
बोल्ड था.
कवर रे. वहीं को. नहीं रे.
Wicket sponsored by Prime Distributor Shailesh Shah, the new batsman.
उतना छोटा.
2 ball, 87. Shailesh Shah is on strike.
वो देख पहला ने मार पाया, चाय नहीं पीते.
Good shot.
मैं कहा बे. मैं क्या बती सर.
1 run, last ball to go. 1 ball, 86 run. The ball went all the way to the boundary. The boundary is sponsored by Bharat Aerospace Private Limited. Wonderful victory, marginal victory for the Black Caps. They registered their another 5th victory in a row. They are into the semis. First team Lavish, second team Black Caps.